In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hootsuite's analytics to better understand your social media performance. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser, perhaps that's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and head over to the website hootsuite.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have one set up yet, you may want to consider creating an account to make the most out of this powerful social media management tool. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the dashboard that appears. This is your central hub for managing everything. Next, direct your attention to the main menu or sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Analytics. Click on this to get started with digging into your data. Now you'll be prompted to choose the particular social profile or account you want to analyze. This could be any of your connected accounts such as Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Select the one you're most interested in to see detailed analytics. On the Analytics Overview dashboard, you'll find a variety of key metrics, each providing valuable insights into your social media performance. Let's explore what these metrics mean and how they can be useful. First up, there's engagement, where you'll see data on likes, comments, and shares. These numbers give you a sense of how your audience is interacting with your content. Following this, follower growth is displayed, which tracks how your audience size has changed over time, ensuring you're reaching more people with your content. Post performance is another crucial metric, highlighting which of your posts are getting the most interaction. By identifying these top performing posts, you can understand what resonates most with your audience. Lastly, take a look at reach and impressions, two metrics that let you know how many people have seen your content and how often, respectively. If you want to tailor this analysis to a particular time frame, use the date range selector to narrow down your data. This allows you to focus on specific periods like last week or last month, making your insights highly relevant to your current strategies. For those who want to dive even deeper into their analytics, Hootsuite provides specific reports such as top posts, audience demographics, and traffic sources. Simply click on these reports to explore further details. If you need to share or back up these insights, you can easily export the data. Look for the export button, usually found conveniently at the top right corner of the analytics page. By understanding these insights, you can determine what type of content works best for your audience and use this information to plan your future posts strategically. The aim here is to continually improve and achieve better engagement and reach over time. Happy analyzing, and use these insights to refine your social media strategy.